Welcome back to ChartFactor Pi. In this video, we'll use the Data Breaches 2004 to 2017 dataset found in Kaggle to explore what entities in the web sector lost the most records in 2017. We will also show you how to assign colors to specific attribute values and also to metric ranges, and to copy any visualization to a different cell with its current filters. Let's do it step by step. Create a new notebook. Now import ChartFactor and Pandas packages. Next, use the Pandas function to obtain a data frame for the data breaches dataset. Now let's use the CF Studio function to start visualizing data frames. Name your application Data Breaches Study 2004 to 2017. Select your data frame. Select Area Line in the Chart menu. Select Year for the group attribute. Set a high limit like 100. Sort by year ascending. For color, select two classes. And reverse the palette for a darker blue. Save this widget and title it Trend. Let's also add the Interaction Manager to enable interactivity. Next, let's visualize the number of records lost by sector. Duplicate any widget. Select Bar Chart. Select Sector for the group attribute. Go to Settings and set Legend right and select Orientation Horizontal. Set Labels out. Select Highlight selected shapes when selecting a shape. Select Color. Select Color by Metric. Select one of the sequential palettes and select the Assign Color Ranges option. Notice how the legend now is broken down in automatically calculated color ranges. I could turn off automatic ranges for manual color range configuration. Notice that the number of ranges is driven by the number of colors in the palette. For example, select 7 colors instead of 9, and then you will have 7 ranges. You can update the min and max values of each range as well as their colors. For example, instead of purple, let's select bright red for the last range. Save the chart and title it Sectors. Now, let's create a drop-down to select different methods of leak. Duplicate a widget and select drop-down. Select Method of Leak as the group attribute. Here is our drop-down, already working. I could add a metric to also render the total records lost per method of leak. Save this widget and position it on the top right corner. Title it Methods of Leak. Now, let's create a packed bubbles chart to visualize entities. Duplicate any widget. Select Packed Bubbles. Select Entities for the group attribute. Set 200 for limit. For colors, select the color type category. Select a palette. We are going to use the Assign Colors by Value option. I am going to set a special bright color for River City Media. Save it and title it Entities. And you can always copy any of these charts with its current filters to a different cell by using the Copy Code function. You now have built a notebook with an interactive data application without having to Google Python syntax and without moving or exporting your data. Thanks for watching.